Okay, so I'm gonna start by using this concealer from Hard Candy, and I'm gonna be using this to prime my eyes. For this primer, primer. This eyeshadow base is actually really good for our eyeshadow. I know I talked a little bit weird, but bear with me. This is now we're gonna set our concealer so we don't get any creases. And I'm gonna be using this elf high definition powder, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in the cap because we're gonna start with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And we're gonna be taking these two colors, these two, and we're gonna be mixing them together. And the two colors are called Silk Cream and MFEO. And I'm just gonna tap the X's. I know that was loud, I'm sorry. And we're just gonna be blending it on our crease. This is gonna be our transition color. So yeah, just do the windshield swiper motions. I like going in circles also. I mean, drag it a little bit to the inner corner. To the outer corner. I'm sorry. I'm a little nervous. Who's not in their first video? Okay, just like that. Sorry if you hear noises. They're my kids. Yes, I have kids. I have two, a girl and a boy. You know how that is. The color. Let me find the color because they're actually wrong. They're like the opposite. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's called Butter. And we're gonna be taking this one, and we're gonna be putting in our outer corner. Just concentrating more over here, and we're just gonna drag it over to the inner corner. Again, doing this windshield and swiper motions and the circles too. Okay, I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here from the same palette. It's called In Light. Grabbing the color, tap the axis, and we're gonna be putting it on our lid. Taking this Morphe brush, it's the number, it's the M441, and this is a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna be grabbing it and blending it all together, blending all the colors together. Okay, and going back to that one, that was it, third color? No, the second color. We're gonna be grabbing more of that color and just like concentrating more like in the outer corner, just a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and did my other eye also, and I used this. For my eyebrows, I used this pomade from Cara Beauty. I know you guys heard of it, but it reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I actually had one, but I lost it a long time ago. And I had two. Well, one because the second one I found it. I know, I took it. I was like, it's there, it's alone, so I'm gonna take it. So I'm just gonna be grabbing this mascara from CoverGirl. It's the Peacock Flare. I don't know if you can see it, and it's a cool packaging. I know I didn't curl them first, but I just lost my cut. I didn't lose it. I broke my eyelash curler Me being a dumbass trying to open a bottle. But it's actually curling my eyelashes a little. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline baby pore eraser, and this is just for my pores. And I'm gonna be putting it in right here where my pores tend to peek out when I use my foundation. I hate my pores. My nose, my T-zone, basically. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I don't know if you guys heard of it, but this is not a full coverage foundation. This is actually a light foundation, and it's actually really good. I mean, I've been using it for years now, and every time I get a new foundation, I just go back to it because it's really light. It's very natural and very good. So now I'm gonna grab this Real Techniques blender. Just gonna be blending all over my face. So I'm gonna be using this Morphe concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm gonna be applying it on under my eyes and our whole face with the same powder. Just gonna be grabbing this big fluffy brush. Just gonna be setting our whole face. And I've been liking this setting powder a lot to set my face with. You see? I need to cover those scars. Okay. So I'm gonna be leaving it there for like a couple, 2 minutes. Not too long. And I'm gonna be grabbing this to bronze my face. I'm gonna be grabbing this Maybelline Master Contour palette, and I'm gonna be using only this shade for my bronzer. And I'm gonna be using this like big fluffy angle brush, and this is also from a set from Beauty Creations. And I'm gonna be grabbing that shade and bronze my face. Cool. Tap the X's. Now taking blush. In this highlighter quad, it's from Beauty Creations also, and it's the Angel Glow palette. And I'm gonna be grabbing this highlighter right here. Not too much. Then a little bit of our nose. I said a little bit, but it's not a lot. Hello, highlighter. So these are the lashes that I used for today's video, and these are like very natural lashes, and they're like the multi-pack. They're from Kiss, and these are the lashes. Go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes. So now I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set it first and then do my lips. So I'm gonna set it first and then do my lips, and I'm gonna be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm just gonna be putting it all over my face. And if you want, you could put more highlighter. I'm gonna do it because I like to shine like a bitch. I'm just kidding. I like to shine. And it's just gonna make it more intense. Look, see it? Very nice. Oh my lord, what I say? And in my my brow bone also. So for lips, I'm gonna be using this Soar lip liner from MAC, and I'm just gonna be lining my lips. So now I'm gonna be grabbing this lip gloss from Jafra, and it's in the color Never Ending Nude. So I'm gonna be grabbing the second color that we use. It's the butter color, the butter eyeshadow. I'll put it in my waterline. And I'm gonna be putting an inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna be taking that color in light, and I'm gonna be putting it on my inner corner. So pretty, so pretty. So this is the final look, you guys. If you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and share too. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.